Dumpster rental service in Texas. At Chunk and Dump, we take pride in offering the best dumpster rental service in Texas for all your waste disposal needs. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, clearing out a garage, or managing construction debris, we've got the perfect dumpster for the job. We understand time is valuable, so we provide fast delivery and pickup across Texas. Our dumpsters are available in multiple sizes, making it easy to find the right fit for your project. No matter the scale of your cleanup, we ensure a hassle-free rental experience from start to finish. Our rental process is simple and convenient, with transparent pricing and no hidden fees. We believe in providing outstanding customer service and work hard to make your rental experience smooth. Our team can answer your questions and help you choose the right dumpster size. At Chunk and Dump, we take an eco-friendly approach, ensuring that waste is disposed of responsibly. We serve homeowners, contractors, and businesses, helping them keep their spaces clean and clutter-free. If you need a reliable dumpster rental service in Texas, look no further than Chunk and Dump. We're here to make your cleanup projects more straightforward and more efficient. Contact us today at 936-290-3478 to book your dumpster rental and experience our top-rated service firsthand.